Hey, welcome back to the Blocky Survival server. This is the graveyard biome. This is the last biome that I didn't get to show you last time. Uh, it's basically completely white, and we've got a lot of marble in here. There's also some. Uh, there's also a lot of this stuff is coral skeletons. That's the closest thing we have to bone blocks, and all of these are made out of coral skeletons as well, with the exception of those that are actually from other mushrooms. But that's, I think we can live with that. I made these two different types myself. You got these skinny ones. They just have the little, the two bells. They're all the same, except they all, like, so this has like one, one, and two. And you see here, this one has two, two, and one. So they randomly get taller and stuff. And then we have this other type over here. Pay no attention to the floating tooth. Uh, this other type here, like a fly agaric sort of mushroom, with its little skirt, and the same thing for the fins because that just looks it's the right color. Got to use that right. You can also see on top of that one over there, they've got crystals embedded in the structure on those ones, which I think makes them look pretty damn cool. Get on top of it here. You can see I've used slopes. Ooh, I can't remember what that mod's called now. More blocks or slopes or something like that. Anyway, I think that gives both of these really a really good shape. Uh, Makes them look really natural, at least when they're not floating. You see here, so we've got a marble there. We've got the uh, coral skeleton there. Two different types of glowstone here because this is a very light biome. This is supposed to be like the complete opposite of the dark biome. We also have quartz blocks here. Those are pretty hard to get actually. It's one of the rarest minerals. You don't kind of realize, but you can't duplicate it. I think so. Technically speaking, considering you can duplicate everything else, uh, you can't. Yeah, it's pretty rare. And then also these white crystals, which I think we probably discovered some of those last time. They're scattered around other biomes too. But all these things, so they actually sprout out of the coral skeleton, which does mean that they kind of happen in other areas too, because we use the coral skeleton like a kind of shale. It's a really good source of bone meal. That means you don't have to kill anything or hunt up actual coral. So there's a lot of that in regular caves, and you do actually get these now in regular caves too. And unfortunate. I did try to make the spawning. I tried to set it so that it would only spawn in the nether, like by height, but it didn't seem to work. And yeah, look at this lava. Um, yeah, thanks for watching. Come check out our nether update.